Now you can experience cleaner, softer, and younger looking skin every day with the Nutrasonic 2-Speed Companion Skin Cleansing System.
Every time I use it day after day after day, my face is improving so much.
Oscillating bristles not only deep clean your skin and remove impurities, they also perform a micro massage of your skin to help unclog pores and increase microcirculation.
It did feel very clean, and it was also very smooth.
I love the way my skin feels after I use this. I love how fresh it feels. I feel so refreshed.
Sonic technology helps remove dead skin cells, fine lines, and wrinkles while promoting healthy skin cell growth.
I was absolutely amazed to see how much residual makeup was lifted off my skin, so I felt very squeaky clean and baby soft.
Fully water resistant and rechargeable, use it without risk in the shower, tub, or at the sink.
I keep my companion in the shower. Unless it's on the charging base, I use it in the shower every day.
The Nutrasonic Companion System comes with 2 brush heads for sensitive skin and normal skin.
As soon as you try it, you'll be hooked because you realize that your skin wasn't getting clean before. You use the Nutrasonic and your skin will really be clean.
It removes up to 6 times more makeup than manual cleansing and leaves your skin feeling and looking smoother by cleansing and exfoliating at the same time. Effective deep down cleaning that's gentle enough to use twice a day.
I can't believe I waited this long to actually get my skin clean.
The very first time I used it, honestly, my face was so much softer. Even my husband noticed, so it was kind of nice.
The Nutrasonic 2-Speed Companion System. Take one home today, and you'll be on your way to healthier, cleaner, and younger looking skin.